Hi everyone, konnichiwa. I'm YUCa. Welcome to YUCa's Japanese cooking. Today, I'm going to show you how to make grilled veggie curry. However, tasty Japanese curry rice? If yes, please comment me down below since I like vegetables. So this curry is one of my favorites. And in this recipe, I use homemade Japanese curry roux that I cooked in another video. And as always, my family, Mario and Luigi, will be joining as helpers. よろしくね、マリオくんちゃん. And during this video, I introduce useful cooking tips and ideas. So please watch in detail until the end. Okay everyone, let's get started. Here are the ingredients. So grilled veggie curry is ready. So let's try tasting. いただきます. Look at this. It's so colorful. I wonder which one I should try. How about pumpkin? Grilled pumpkin is also good. And the curry is very mild. Eggplant. So good. It has a juiciness because of all the oil. So since it's grilled, so you can enjoy the good texture. Okra is also good. I think one plate is already enough to fill you up. ごちそうさまでした. So here are the tips and recommendations of today's menu. Tip: I recommend to cut the vegetables into long and thin pieces so it's easy to eat and it's also photogenic. And tip: when grilling vegetables, please add oil little by little. Tip: I used a griddle in this recipe video, but of course you can use a barbecue grill. If you don't have it, just burn the surface of the vegetables or saute with using fry pan. So those are the tips and recommendations of today's menu. If you want more Japanese curry recipe, please comment me down below. We will see you next time. Bye bye!